Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to use visualization to help you achieve success. Now, believe it or not, visualizing things, pretty much imagining things, does a great job at helping you to actually achieve success and achieve those goals. Now, let me explain this to you. If you visualize something, your brain becomes familiar with it. Your mind becomes familiar with those thoughts and those visualizations. And we are actually, hardwired to move towards things that are familiar to us. So with that being said, you need to visualize things. Now let me give you an example of something that I visualize, okay? When I'm driving, and I'm driving, a Mazda 3, a 2010 Mazda 3. When I'm driving, sometimes I literally visualize and imagine myself in a Ferrari, okay? Now, many different Ferraris. Sometimes I'm in a Ferrari Enzo. Sometimes I'm in a Ferrari, many different Ferraris, okay? A 360 Modena. Lots. Basically every Ferrari that I've ever seen, I've imagined myself driving it. And not that I drive fast or aggressively, it's not that, but I literally just hear the sound. And what happens is, as you visualize yourself achieving success, and you basically imagine yourself in successful situations, you're going to be more likely and more prone to actually put yourselves in those situations. So when I'm tired and I say, I don't really want to do any more work, I'm exhausted, I hear that Ferrari sound. I know it sounds a little bit like, it sounds mind-boggling, but I actually hear that. I hear that Ferrari sound. It's not a good impersonation, but I hear that Ferrari sound. And then I make myself a nice cup of coffee and I continue working. And I know that if I didn't visualize that Ferrari driving, myself in that car, then I would probably call it a night. And that would put me further away from actually achieving that dream, and then bringing me closer to it like it actually does. Now, it's not only about your dreams of, owning a sports car. It can be about your financial dreams. You can imagine yourself living the lifestyle, the financial lifestyle, being able to afford it, okay? You can imagine yourself having the relationship of your dreams. You can imagine yourself literally having the job of your dreams. You can imagine yourself working for yourself. If you have a job and you want to end up working for yourself, being an entrepreneur, you can visualize that, okay? And what happens is you get little hints throughout your life of these things. Sometimes I'll see a Ferrari driving on the road. And what happens is, not only do I imagine myself in that Ferrari. And as I'm looking at that person driving that car, I'm thinking about other people looking at me driving that car. If you imagine the relationship of your dreams, you might see a very, very happy couple. And then that visualization becomes almost a reality in front of you. And eventually, with enough work, it will become a true reality. Now, does that mean if you just visualize something, it's gonna come true? I'm just visualizing myself driving a Ferrari every day. Poof, in my garage, there's a Ferrari. No, that's not exactly how it works. But I will tell you that if you visualize things, you will have those thoughts, and your intentions, what you do, will match those thoughts. So if you visualize yourself in that Ferrari every day, you're gonna work to match that visualization. So it's not that you automatically magically get a Ferrari. No, that's not exactly how it works. But your thoughts will match up with your actions, and those actions will lead you to have that Ferrari, to accomplish those dreams, to realize those dreams into a reality. And that's basically it. That is how to visualize and help those, have your visualizations help you achieve success. It's such a simple thing that you can do literally at any time. You can visualize yourself in any situation. You're basically using your imagination. And with that being said, it's a really good idea and a really good tactic and tool to help you. So use it, and use it to actualize your dreams. Give this video a thumbs up if it motivated you. Let me know what you think about visualizing things. What do you visualize in terms of your goals, your hopes, your dreams? Let me know in the comment section down below. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.